Hello! So, we are now in lesson 23. So, I will teach you on how to read the shorthand strokes one by one. Okay. So, we will start from paragraph number 2. It. So, in brief forms, it is represented by it or at. So, this is it. Then, H-A-S, has. Under it, R-E, 3, M-E-T-I-N-G, meeting, R-O-O-M-S, rooms, period. So, this is the sign of period in shorthand. T-O-O, 2. O, of, over it, E-S, this, R-O-O-M-S, rooms, R. So, in brief forms, it is represented by R, our. So, this is R, really, R-E-L-E, really, M-O-O-V-E, movie, over it, E-T-R-S, chatters, paragraph. Okay, number 3, it, H-A-S, has. That in brief forms, it is represented by a or an. So here it is a, inside, N-S, long I-D, S-O-O-E-M-I-N-G, swimming, P-O-O-L, pool, paragraph. Number 4, it, H-A-S, has, a, S-T-A-F, staff, over it, a, that, is, R-E-D-E, ready, T-O-O, to, T-A-K, take, K-A-R, care, O, of, O-O, your, N-E-D-S, needs, paragraph. Over it, it is represented by the, R-O-O-M-S, rooms, at, S-M-E, over it, S, Smiths, M-O-D-E-L, motel, R, F-E-R-S-T, first, K-L-A-S, class, B-T, but, M-R, Mr, S-M-E, over it, Smith, H-A-S, has, K-E-P-T, kept, his, R-A-T-S, rates, L-O, law, period, his, R-A-T-S, rates, are given in the pamphlet pamphlet that over it a, this is a brief forms, is clipped KLEPT to TUU my M long I letter LETR paragraph if you are planning PLANING a sales SALS meeting METING have at it meets SME over it S, so name of a person. Okay, next, continuation. Motel MOTEL in Salem 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 period Fred FRED White long I T. Okay, so that's the end of our oral reading, one by one oral reading. So hope you understand and thank you for watching. Bye bye.